Hey, Peapod. Going live here, testing out my new setup here. So we have a severe warning storm heading northeast, and here's my new setup. My radar on my nice iPad with my stand and the Tundra. Sweet, huh? So we're just watching this line here. I'm trying to see. It's actually picked up in power here over the past hour or so. Yeah, and I went with the radar Omega. So I just did the basic version for now, so I can start learning it a little bit, and then if things start growing, we'll get more advanced. So. All right, I'm gonna put you back on the dash here. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna drive, because I don't think a whole lot's gonna happen where I am right now. So we're gonna go down Route 95 towards wherever it takes us at this point. There's a nice, coming down the highway, there was a nice view of some lightning. So right now I'm in Burlington, Mass, right near the Burlington Mall. You've seen Mall Cop, that's the mall. Paul Blart. Okay, I'm gonna get back on the highway. I really gotta put I gotta get YouTube opened up on the iPad and learn how to split the screens. So I'll work on that, and then I can have the chat on the iPad so I can see it bigger. So if I don't see any your comments, it's because I'm trying to pay attention to driving. Let's see here. We need to go 95 southbound. And I think we have to go back the other way, and I think I went the wrong way. So now I have to turn around. That's fine. So I'm just gonna head down here and flip around. Yeah, it doesn't look too scary this direction, but wait till I turn around. It starts to look a little more ominous. All right, we got a green arrow here, so let's go, peoples. Yeah, I'm going to use my horn today, even though I'm not in a rush. All right, we'll just flip around right here. this for lease blues. Okay. Back it up. All right, here we go. And cars coming, can't see, there's weeds growing everywhere. Doesn't say no turn on red. Oh yeah, see, that looks a little bit better. Now, does it look as dark on the screen? Because it looks really dark not on the screen, but when I'm looking at the screen, it doesn't look as dark. It looks lighter. Thank you, sir. Okay, well, we're gonna head south towards the questionable line of storms here, where it's still severe warned, going towards Framingham, Holliston, and a few other areas. Oh yeah, it looks dark. It's getting dark, folks. And there's a lot of CGs, there's a lot of cloud to ground. So as we're going, you guys are gonna probably get a decent little show here of late. Maybe some of the big radio towers right down the strip here will get hit by lightning as we're going by, so I'm gonna try to drive right into it, so my washer fluid's low. Oh, come on. It's like a gallon and a half. It's low. Fill that up. I kind of think it's gonna crap out, so I'm gonna try to get as close to the severe warned area as possible. But the wind gusts, it was reporting wind gusts of 60 miles an hour, so that's decent. Haven't had a storm like that in a while. Rain's starting to come down a little bit. Starting to spit. Oh yeah, I can see the lightning now. It's kind of one of my favorite parts of storms, the lightning. Just amazing. All the different shapes where it hits. Alright, so about the Route 2 area on I-95 South. So we're looking towards, I think right now we're looking towards the severe warned area. If you've ever driven down 95 or the 128 belt, you know, it goes east, west, south, east, west. It just keeps zigzagging. So right now we're heading southwest, which is towards that direction. And we're gonna get nailed, so, which is cool. I think I picked a good time too. The traffic is really settled down a lot, so I've been monitoring it since like 3 o'clock. Yeah, I totally was like eating dinner, watching the radar, and I'm sitting there and like all of a sudden I'm going storm chasing. It was kind of impromptu. I just kind of jumped in and ran. So I didn't think this line would actually get strong enough to even go severe warn. Most of the meteorologists I was watching yesterday were like, it's going to be a weak cold front, which is probably true. It's not going to provide a whole lot of relief, but if we can see how bad the severe warning is, then we'll have some exciting action, I guess. We'll see. Right, there's the big radio antennas, if you can see them off flashing in the distance there, coming up. Sometimes they'll get nailed by lightning. Let's get you a little closer. Alright, we're almost in the severe warned area. I think I'm gonna find a spot to like see if I can find a spot to view it from that in the box. Probably see some good lightning in a minute, yeah. Oh yeah, I've got some flashes going here. I was hoping for some rogue cells today, but just didn't have it. It did get a lot warmer on the North Shore than they said it was. I think it was supposed to be forecasted around 85 today. I think it hit almost 90. I'm sure Boston was a little higher than that. I don't think they were forecasting a sea breeze in Boston today. I think the wind was mostly from the west. And will be from the west. I think it's going to have drier heat for the next few days, which will be better than the humidity today. It was a little humid today. Still heading southbound on 95. Oh, I think they just dropped a severe warning for that area we're going to. So we're gonna watch it here though, because it picked up a little bit. It went severe warned earlier out towards like Western Mass, and then it looked like the line was like kind of dried up a little bit, and then all of a sudden it picked up again as it got towards Route 495 area. Oh, it's getting windy. There's the famous Route 90, goes from Boston all the way to Seattle. And this guy's losing his whole bumper. Alright, I'm gonna slow it down a little bit here, guys. It's funny, I came down here to the severe warned area, and up north, back where we were, it looks worse now. Might go back that way. Me on the right. There we go. There you go. All right. I'm gonna get off the highway. Ooh, I had a just nice strike. I think it hit one of these towers near me. Holy crap. Alright, we're gonna get off the highway here. right next to Channel 5 News here. Oh yeah, it looks good over here. See if we can find a place to stop over here, because I want to take a look at the radar and kind of make a plan here, because I might turn around and go back the other way, because it's looking more impressive back towards the north. Oh boy. Are you guys seeing the lightning? Because I'm definitely getting a lot here. I'm going to turn right here and see if I can pull over here. There's this bank here getting done up here. Turn around here. See if I can. All right, let me look at this. All right, it's kind of catching up with us a little bit here. Let me get you guys a view here. All right, so this is where I was looking at. So this area right here was definitely in the warned area, but now it seems to have got a little more up here. So I got a little more. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if any like QLCS tornadoes would happen today, because I don't think it's strong enough. But it's not impossible. It totally isn't impossible. So you just have to have the right conditions. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn around and start going back north, because this is not looking super great. But on the highway we'll probably get a good little view of it going back north, because I'm going to head right into it this time. So hopefully that doesn't crap out. So I'll move fast if I can. And I'm going to go the wrong way because there's construction here anyways, so. Yeah, the other severe warned areas down by like Rhode Island right now, it'd take too much to try to get down there that fast, and it's probably gonna crap out before we even get there. So we're gonna head back north to where it seems like it's got some there's some heavier rain heading towards Lexington, where we just came from. And the rain's starting to come down here now, so. Come on, peoples. Here we go. be? We need to go north. So I think we need to be on the other side. Oh boy, some really good lightning to the north, so definitely going back that way. Yeah, we're gonna head right into it now. Oh yeah, did you see that? That was awesome. Holy crap, that was sweet. I love it. Awesome cloud to ground. I think it hit right near me too, and then back towards where we just were. Oh yeah, it's looking really dark here. Alright, you just pay attention now because you're going to get some amazing lightning. It's only 7:54 Eastern time, and it already looks like it's dark. I don't think the sun's setting till like 8:22. The wind's really picking up. So the wind's gusting right now. It's probably gusting like 30. start moving into like the heavier rain. And we got some pretty good lightning coming up here. I just saw. So that line to the north is actually a little bit more enhanced than it was before. It might actually go severe warning soon because it's picking up in intensity a little bit. We'll see. Out towards Western Mass earlier, there was probably quarter-size hail they reported, and then it started to diminish a little bit. And when I checked at like 6:30, there was like nickel size. So you can see how, as it gets towards the coast, it's just kind of dies out a lot. But the storm was moving really slow. Then all of a sudden, once it got past like Worcester, Mass, it really started picking up speed big time. Something happened on this road. It's like paint all over it. It's like white paint all over the road. What the hell? Yeah, so back where we started, in Burlington, Bedford area, it seems like that's the heavier rain right now. I'm gonna try to get around this guy again. We're just gonna go into the right lane. The right. Here we go. I think this is our real first storm chase of the season. Really haven't had anything yet. This is the most action we've gotten. So hopefully this week we'll see some more pop-up thunderstorms. Maybe we'll get a stronger localized storm, you know, pushing towards like Thursday evening. And I think this weekend we're expecting more of a system to come through. So I'll just keep an eye on that too. Okay, we should be moving into the heavier precipitation, and hopefully we'll see what the wind action is going on here too. There's some idiot in front of me sticking his hand out the window. Hopefully he doesn't get struck by lightning. Yeah, that's smart, dude. I watched this really cool video. I think it was AccuWeather that put it out, and it was in Cape Coral, Florida. Lightning struck the metal fence. It traveled through the metal fence into the house, went through the into the bathroom, into the shower, exploded the marble panels in the shower, and sent shrapnel everywhere. Did you just see that CG? That was insane. I'm gonna get out of this. Truck's in front of me. I can't see crap. Oh yeah, if you're in the stream, thank you. Hit that like button, which I think most of you have already. And if you're not already subscribed, subscribe. We're a small channel right now, but we're slowly growing, and we're gonna get there. Really coming down now. Might actually get into some hail. I don't see any on the radar yet, but it looked like it was the tops were high enough, but it's really pooling on the corners too. Only reason why I don't like being in the left lane. And we got something going on with police activity over here. Looked like there was some night work going to happen, but probably not now. Yeah, so the rain's coming down really heavy across the highway right now. It's really puddling on the highway. I got the wipers on full speed here. They're having a hard time keeping up. Oh yeah, well, this isn't even the heaviest yet. We're going to get into it right now. So we should be getting into a little bit heavier precipitation. Some cloud to ground. Definitely if you're living in the 95, 128 belt, all along Burlington, Bedford, Woburn, Wakefield, North Reading area, you're going to get some very heavy rain. Guys, share the stream too if you can. Know anybody that lives in the area that I'm talking about, go ahead and share it with them. now that I look at it, I probably should have went to my usual spot because that's where I'm ending up now. I gotta get out of the left lane though. There's too much water. I'm gonna hydroplane. I guess I'm back in the left lane again. Oh, that was beautiful. Hope you guys saw that. Amazing lightning. Nature's fireworks. Just coming into the stream. We're heading into a thunderstorm. We're going northbound I-95 in Burlington, Massachusetts right now. Heading towards Woburn, Mass. Hit that like button, share that stream. Thank you. I'm gonna slow it down. Hopefully you guys can get a good view now because the rain's really coming down hard and everybody's slowing down. But we'll get to see more here. Oh yeah, I hope you guys can hear the water coming in the wheel wells. It's like, there's like a ½ inch of water on the road. Easy. The wind's picking up big time. Oh yeah, we're in it. I'm literally only going 40 miles an hour. I really can't see. This is awesome though. Oh, there's a truck. He put his flashes on. Like out west. He must be a trucker from out west. Right now we're heading like the perfect direction because we're heading right into it, and we're going to start turning east, which is the direction it's heading, east northeast. So we should hopefully get back into it. A little heavier precipitation, but there's plenty of lightning if you guys can see it. There we go. We're getting right back into the heavier precipitation again. is literally like the worst storm we've had in a year. I think this is worse than the nor'easter one I did live. Can you guys hear me over the rain? Throw something in the chat. I'm not seeing anything pop up. Oh yeah. All right. Thank you. Thank you, Janice. Definitely flash flooding conditions right now. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a good 2 inches of rain coming down here over the span of the line. Well, I can see for a second. Yay. Oh, we're back in it. I don't know, this guy's like got his flashers on. He's in the high-speed lane. I'm like, move over then. So far, these tires are doing amazing in the heavy rain too. They were great in the snow. All right, so we're coming into the heavier stuff again. We're gonna head right down to my usual spot, which is high up, and hopefully we get a good glimpse of lightning in that spot. So. A lot of water coming across the road.
4th of July nature's fireworks here.